everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 359 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Santee Rouge Mousse blush that I'm going to be trying out from ShopMissA. So that means that this product was only $1 and it's cruelty free. On the ShopMissA website right now, this comes in 2 different shades and I have it in the shade 6, which I'm very interested to see how this is going to look. It seems like such a bright red shade, and I don't think I've really tried a blush this bright red. So hopefully it'll look good on me. Oh, I think my packaging is broken. Definitely seems like $1 packaging. So I'm excited to see this moussey texture. Oh, it just feels like a cream blush. It doesn't really feel like moussey the way that like the AOA Studio Mousse Velour highlighter that I am obsessed with. That one has a moussey texture. This one is not moussey. This just seems like a cream blush to me. Wow, yeah, that swatches with a lot of pigment and it's very bright. It actually kind of looks orange. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a very light amount to start out, and it says to just apply this by blending it out with your fingertips. So that's how I'm gonna start out trying to apply it. Wow, I mean, it definitely gives a lot of color to the face. But I think this is going to require a lot of blending. So now that I'm blending it out, it does still look kind of orange, kind of red, but it also does look a little bit pinkish, kind of more natural than I was expecting. It just looks not completely blended, so I am going to go back in with my sponge to blend it out a little bit more, make it look a little bit more of a natural shape. But okay, so here's the difference. No blush with the blush. I mean, it's definitely a noticeable difference. Going in with that light hand does give just a subtle touch, but if you wanted to build this up to be a much more intense bright red blush, that's definitely doable. But it does not look bad. Let's see how it does on my other cheek. Like, that's how I picture just doing a circle of blush, is how I picture using a bright red blush, like just more as like a costume makeup, which sure, you could use this as costume makeup, but I'm trying to see if it will work as a daily blush. And now that I'm looking at it applied to both cheeks, and it could just be my very fair skin tone, but it looks very natural. But it looks like a sunburn on me, where if I went out, people would say, oh, did you get some sun? Your cheeks look red. Because they are. They look red. They don't look pink or mauve like the typical blushes that I find look best on me. But aside from the color, this is actually looking really good on my skin. I did find that it blended out pretty nicely. It took a little while to blend it out, but now it does look very even. It looks smooth and it's sitting on top of my makeup really well. It doesn't look like there is a cream product on my skin. It just looks like part of my skin. So I love how natural the finish is. And even as I applied it, it was not moussey at all. It was just a cream blush, which is totally fine, but just a little deceiving. But I'm actually happy with how this is looking. I kind of want to try it on my lips though, and see how it works as like a little lip tint because of the color. Wow, yeah, that's quite the difference. It's really clinging to the dry patches of my lips, so it doesn't look like a nice lip formula, but just to throw on some color, I mean, it does the trick. So my final conclusion is that I like this product. I think that this is a good blush. For $1 especially, I think that it's a nice formula. I am bummed that my package is broken though. It's a pain. I will say though, out of the probably close to 100 ShopMissA products I've tried, this is the only one that's ever come to me damaged. So that's pretty good considering they're all $1 products that come in the mail. So I am glad that now I know how a typical red blush rouge looks on me, and I'm liking it. I'll probably use this again, especially in the summertime when I do want that sun-kissed look. Maybe layering on maybe a bronze on top of this, some way to make it not look like a real sunburn. But I still, the more I look at it, I am getting used to the look of it, and I think it does look pretty. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on red blushes. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.